The street life that bred them is their new prison.
This is it. It's dangerous. It opens doors. Doors to the pleasures of heaven or hell.
I can hear your heartbeat.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. Where